completed. Two. What are those? Inheritance, polymorphism. Next, which one I start? Abstraction. What is abstraction? Providing necessary information and hiding unnecessary information is called as abstraction. If you want to implement abstraction, what we require? Abstract class and interface. Today you will learn abstract class. Note abstract class. Abstract class. A class that is declared with abstract keyword is known as an abstract class. A class that is declared with abstract keyword is known as an abstract class. A class that is declared with abstract keyword is known as an abstract class. A class that is declared with abstract keyword is known as an abstract class. So, just one keyword, abstract keyword, if attached to class, that class is called abstract class. Next, abstract class can have only abstract methods, comma, only non-abstract methods, or both abstract and non-abstract methods. Abstract class can have only abstract methods, comma, only non-abstract methods, or both abstract and non-abstract methods. Abstract class can have only abstract methods, comma, only non-abstract methods, or both abstract and non-abstract methods. But what is abstract method? What is non-abstract method? I'll explain. Abstract method. A method which has no body is called as an abstract method. A method which has no body is called as an abstract method. A method which has no body is called as an abstract method. Abstract method must be declared with abstract keyword. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. Abstract method must be declared with abstract keyword. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. Abstract method must be declared with abstract keyword. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. Non-abstract method is called as concrete method. Non-abstract method is called as concrete method. Concrete method. A method that has a body is called as concrete method. A method that has a body is called as concrete method. A method that has a body is called as concrete method. Just you observe whatever I can, what I taught, just you observe. First, what is abstract class? What is abstract class? A class that is declared with abstract keyword is called as abstract class. Can I write only abstract methods in abstract class? Yes. Can I write only non-abstract methods in abstract class? Yes. Can I write both? Yes. Okay. What is abstract method? Which has no body. Can I write abstract method without abstract keyword? No. If you write, compile time error occurs. Non-abstract method is also called as concrete method. Concrete method means which has a body. Previous programs, what the methods you have seen? Those are concrete methods or abstract methods? Concrete methods. See, void, show, semicolon, if I write. Now, if I write open brace, close brace, it is called body, no? Method components you studied. Open brace to close brace is called method body. Suppose, if I write semicolon, no body. Now, if I write braces, it is body. If I write semicolon, no body. This is called abstract method. This is called abstract method, but invalid. Abstract method must be declared with abstract keyword in Java. Okay. Now, abstract method must be declared with abstract keyword. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. Now, this is valid abstract method. Say, if I write like this, it is abstract method, but invalid. If you write like this, it is valid. So, it is called abstract method. We can also call method declaration. We can also call method declaration. Suppose if write void print open brace, if I write like this, now it is called concrete method, but concrete keyword not there. Okay, non-abstract method called concrete method. Now, if I write like this, it is abstract method or concrete method? It is concrete method, but statements, open brace, close brace. It is called empty method. Like you can call it as null body method, but null body method also concrete method only. Now, this is concrete method. This is null body method. Null body method you can call or empty method. Okay, but this one also you can call it a concrete method. Noted? Is it over? This is abstract method or method declaration you can call. This is concrete method you can call. This is null body method or empty method you can call. But null body method also concrete method only. Write that point. Null body method also concrete method only. Null body method also concrete method only. Null body method also concrete method only. Now, up to here, whatever I given, one more point I'll give. Now, here, about abstract class, about abstract method, explain. Okay. If the class contains an abstract method, then the class must be declared with abstract keyword. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. If the class contains an abstract method, then the class must be declared with abstract keyword. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. If the class contains an abstract method, then the class must be declared with abstract keyword. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. Now, one question I'll ask. Your answer can be right or wrong. Try to give answer. Okay. Abstract class must contain at least one abstract method. Is it right or wrong? Every point you observe, with that knowledge, give answer. Once again, I'll ask question. Abstract class must contain at least one abstract method. Is it right or wrong? Right? Wrong? Everyone should think answer can be right or wrong, leave it. Okay, try to give answer. My question carefully listen. Abstract class must contain at least one abstract method. Is it right or wrong? How many people write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next, how many people answer wrong? Those who didn't give answer, what is your answer? 5, 6 members not given answer. What's your answer? That is today class only, not previous class also. In this note only is there. Answer is there. Whatever I taught just now, in that only answer is there. Previous knowledge also not required. Previous classes knowledge also not required for this. Now, you observe here. Abstract class can have only abstract method. Next. Now, give me answer. Abstract class must contain at least one abstract method. Right or wrong? Wrong. Already that only non-abstract methods also you can write. I said no. Here, only non-abstract methods also we can write. That means abstract method not compulsory, no? Abstract class must contain at least one abstract method. That is wrong. Because only non-abstract methods also we can write. That is already given. Actually, this point is different. Whatever I asked question is different. You observe. What I given? If the class contains an abstract method, then the class must be declared with abstract keyword. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. Suppose in your class, abstract method is there. Then you have write that class as an abstract class. That means for writing abstract method, abstract class required. For writing abstract class, abstract method is not compulsory. Here, abstract method is there, write abstract. But abstract can have only non-abstract also. Got the point? Now, I want to write abstract method. For writing abstract method, is it abstract class compulsory? Yes. For writing abstract class, is it abstract method compulsory? No. Got it? So abstract class must contain at least one abstract method. Is it right or wrong? Wrong. Okay. For writing abstract class, abstract method not compulsory. For writing abstract method, abstract class compulsory. Got it? If you want to write abstract method, is it abstract class compulsory? Yes. If you want to write abstract class, is it abstract method compulsory? No. This is that point you observe. If the class contains an abstract method, suppose abstract method is there, then abstract class compulsory. Okay. Now, next point. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated. Instantiation means object creation. Actually, what is the use of abstract class? What is the use of abstract method? Abstract method is not there. Why abstract class? These all I'll explain, not completed. Only introduction. Okay, I'll explain. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated. Instantiation means object creation. So we cannot create object to abstract class. I'll ask some questions, give me answer. Is it over? Now, listen. What you are discussing, listen. It is important. I'm not listening. Listen. Now, is it abstract method or concrete method? Is it abstract method or concrete method? What is? No, my question is it abstract method or concrete method? First, what is abstract method? Which has no body. What is concrete method? Which has a body. Now give me answer. Is it abstract method or concrete method? Abstract method. Okay. Is it valid or invalid? Invalid. Okay. Now here braces are not there. Braces are there. Concrete method. Braces are not there. Abstract method. So it is abstract method or concrete method? Abstract method. Is it valid abstract method or invalid abstract method? Invalid abstract method. Abstract method must be declared with abstract keyword in Java. Is it valid? Yes. This is, I am writing one class. Is it valid class or invalid class? Valid or invalid? Invalid. If the class contains an abstract method, then the class must be declared with abstract keyword. Is it valid abstract class? Yes. Is it valid abstract class? Yes or no? Yes. We can write both also. Abstract method, concrete method, both also we can apply. I given. Okay. Now, let this written. Now, it is abstract class which contains one abstract method, one concrete method. It's an abstract class which contains abstract method and concrete method. Okay. Now, can we create object to this class? No. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated. Instantiation means object creation. Object creation not possible. Okay. Suppose in a one class, 100 methods are there. One method is abstract. Assume 99 methods, concrete methods. One method abstract. Then the class must be declared with abstract keyword. Then that class is called abstract class. Can we create object? No. Then remaining 99 methods also we cannot call. Can we call? No. Okay. Now, this method, if you want to access, compulsory object required, but it is not possible to create object. Now, what is the use of this method? What is the use of this class? I'll explain. Okay. It is incomplete method. Then this class is incomplete class. Starting sessions, I compared with plan. Class like equivalent to plan. It is incomplete plan. Incomplete class. Suppose you want to construct one building. In that building, 2 bedrooms, hall, kitchen. Bedrooms plan completed, kitchen plan completed. Hall plan is pending. Will they start construction? No. Plan may be changed. Again, you have to demolish. So, incomplete plan is there. They won't construct a building. Plan should be completed. Okay. Incomplete class is there. Objects we cannot create. Class should be completed. Class should be completed. Incomplete method is there, but method should be completed. So, 90% plan completed. 10% plan is pending. Either make it 100% or 90% also throw in dustbin. That's it. Okay. Then only they'll construct. But 90% plan completed. But will they start construction? No. 100% should be completed. Okay. If the plan is not completed, they won't start construction. 90% plan also wasted. Because of 10%, 90% plan also wasted. Here also, this method should be completed. This class should be completed first. Unless you cannot create object. Not possible. How to complete? Then what they can do? Creating object not possible. but inheriting possible. You can inherit. Then subclass object you can create. With that you can call. That is you studied in inheritance. So next, this code don't write. This abstract class can be inherited into another class by using a abstract class can be inherited into another class by using extends keyword. Abstract class can be inherited into another class by using extends keyword. One more thing, whenever abstract class is inherited, then all abstract methods of an abstract class. Whenever abstract class is inherited, then all abstract methods of an abstract class must be overridden in a subclass, or subclass must be declared with abstract keyword. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. Whenever abstract class is inherited, then all abstract methods of an abstract class must be overridden in a subclass, or subclass must be declared with abstract keyword. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. Whenever abstract class is inherited, then all abstract methods of an abstract class must be overridden in a subclass, or subclass must be declared with abstract keyword. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. Is it over? Now you observe here. You cannot create object. Then you can inherit class B extends A. Now, abstract class inherited in B class. Whenever abstract class is inherited, then all abstract methods of an abstract class must be overridden in a subclass. This method we have to override. This method we have to override. If we don't override, this method comes here, inherited. Abstract method also inherited. Then what will happen? This class also contains abstract. Then if the class contains an abstract method, then the class must be overridden in a subclass. Either override or subclass must be declared with abstract keyword. Otherwise, compile time error occurs. Now, either override this method or this class declare as abstract. Any one we have to do. If we don't do, error. If I compile, will it compile? Will it compile? No. Then what we have to do? Either we have to override this method or this class we have to declare as abstract. File, save. I'll compile. Java C p.java error. You observe? Now, what is error C? P. P is not abstract and does not override abstract method show in A. System also saying same thing, no? It is not declared abstract and not overridden that method. Now, what system also saying? Either override this method or declare this class as abstract. Any one we have to do. Now, here I'll write abstract. Will it compile? Yes, it will compile. See, it will compile. But can you create object to B class? No. Again, incomplete plan. Okay. See, here. Then again, what you have to do? Again, class C extends B. Either override, again declare as abstract. At last, you have to override. Either in B class or C class or D class or E class. At last, you have to override. If you don't override, it will become abstract. So, suppose plan started in 2022, either complete in 23 or complete in 24 or complete in 25. Otherwise, whatever is completed also wasted. Okay. At last, you have to make it 100%. Otherwise, no use of the plan. Now, here I'll override. I'll override that method. Okay. Now, void show. I'll override. This is called overriding. No? Overriding already studied. Now, what is overriding? Same name, same parameters. Overriding. Can we override in the same class? No. Inheritance required. Inheritance is there, no? No. See, abstraction purpose, overriding required. Polymorphism required. That's what polymorphism. Polymorphism purpose, inheritance required. That is the reason first inheritance I taught. Next polymorphism I taught. No abstraction I'm teaching. Okay. Now, it is overridden. Now, if I compile, will it compile? Yes or no? Yes. Here, one more method I'll write. Okay. Now, file, save. Either override this or declare this one as abstract. Now I overridden. Now no need to declare. If I compile, it will compile. Okay, successfully compiled. Now I'll ask some questions. Give me answer. In this program, how many classes are there? 2 classes. What are those? A class, B class. A class is abstract class or concrete class? Abstract class. B class is concrete class. Same concept. Abstract class, A class. Concrete class, B class. Between A class and B class, any relationship is there? Yes. Which relationship? Is a relationship. Is a relationship refers inheritance. What is inheritance? Creating a new class from an existing class. That is inheritance. In an inheritance, existed class is said to be superclass. New class is said to be subclass. Superclass reference can refer. Superclass reference can refer both superclass object and subclass object, but we can access only superclass members. Subclass reference can refer only subclass object, but we can access both superclass and subclass members. Okay. Now, how many methods defined in A class? how many methods defined in A class? One or two? One only. One is declared. One is defined. How many method declared? One. That is show. How many defined? One. That is print. It is called declaration. It is called definition. Now, how many method declared in A class? One. How many method defined in A class? One. How many method declared in B class? Declared, I'm asking. No method. How many defined? Two methods. Okay. Now, print method belongs to which class? A class. Display method belongs to which class? B class. Show method belongs to which class? A class or B class? A class. Okay. In A class, declared. In B class, defined. But belongs to A class. That is remember. Okay. Now, yesterday, while learning overriding, you learned both the places defined. Now, in A class, declared. In B class, defined. Past, it was declared. Present, you are defining. Or present, you are declaring. In future, you can define. That concept, purpose, abstract required. Further, you will understand. Here, declared in A, defined in B. Past, it was declared. Present, defined. Or present, declared. In future, you will define. That type of concept is abstract. Present, declared. Future, you can define. In that situation, abstract. Past, already declared. Present, you are defining. That is abstract. In which class declared? A class. Which class defined? B class. In A class declared, B class defined. But at last belongs to which class? A class. A class only. Okay. Now, can we create object to B class? Yes or no? Yes. Public, static, void, main. P OB equal to new B. Can I call OB dot show? Yes. Can I call OB dot print? Can I call OB dot display? Yes. All valid. File, save. Compilation, execution. Now, first of all, write this one. Example. While asking questions, if you respond, you'll get a subject. You'll remember subject. Otherwise, you'll forget subject. That will be happen. Those are unable to give answer, prepare and come. It is better. Over. I'll ask some more questions. Give me answer. Is it completed? No. First line, A OB1 equal to new A. Is it valid or not valid? Valid or not valid? Valid according to that program. According to that program. Why it is not valid? A is abstract class. You cannot create object. It is not valid. B OB2 equal to new B. Is it valid? Yes. OB2 dot show. Is it valid? Yes. OB2 dot print. OB2 dot display. Is it valid? No. Third one, A OB3 equal to new B. Valid or not valid? Think yourself and decide. Valid or not valid? How many plans are valid? How many plans are not valid? Those who didn't give, not those who give an answer not valid. Why it is not valid? Object. Those who given not valid. Why it is not valid? What is? See, I didn't get you. Object cannot be created. That's what not valid. Which class object created? But B is concrete class, no? Here A object created or B object created? B object created. Valid. I given answer. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated. Instantiation, object creation not possible. Object reference possible. It is which class object created? B class. You can. A reference created. B object created. B object you can create. A object you cannot create. So it is valid. Now, OB3 dot show. Is it valid or not valid? Valid or not valid? Valid. Show method belongs to which class? A class. OB3 dot print. Valid or not valid? Valid. OB3 dot display. It is not valid. Okay. BOB4 equal to new A. Not valid. Why it is not valid? A is abstract class. We cannot create object. Even if it is concrete class, also not valid because downcasting. Okay. Now, here, first one not valid. Second one valid. With this, all you can call. With this, only A members you can call. Sorry. Right is all. See, daily, what are the questions I'm asking? These questions only entry question. That's it. Okay. Daily, what are the questions I'm asking? No, those questions only entry questions. Different angle they'll ask. Answer is there only. Questions may be different angle they'll ask. Answer in subject. That's it. Is it over? Now, show method belongs to which class? A class. Declared in which class? A class. Defined in which class? B class. Note down. In the above example, show method declared in A class and defined in B class. Show method belongs to A class. In the above example, show method declared in A class and defined in B class. Show method belongs to A class. Over. So, abstract classes, you cannot create object, but you can create references. Reference can be created. Now, here A reference created, it is abstract class reference. Valid. Object created for subclass. Okay. Is it over? Now, I'll ask some more questions. Now, here, just I'll write final. Valid or not valid? Not valid? Sure. Why? Final method we cannot override. Abstract method must be overridden. With this keyword, what system will understand? This method cannot be overridden. With this method, what it will understand? It should be overridden. At last, it cannot understand. Okay. So with this keyword, you are saying cannot be overridden. With this keyword, you are saying it is overridden in subclass. Like that. At last, it cannot understand. Error comes. Write this one. Abstract methods cannot be final. 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 Is it valid? Valid or not valid? Why it is not valid? Static method also we cannot override. Right? Abstract methods cannot be static. Abstract methods cannot be static. Is it valid? Why? Private methods also we cannot override. Is it valid? Valid or not valid? Valid. Is it valid? Yes, valid. So next write it. Abstract methods cannot be private. Abstract methods cannot be final. Abstract methods cannot be static. Abstract methods cannot be private. See, if you write a final, you cannot override. That's what abstract method compulsory or to override. Abstract method declared, you must define. Now, if you write final, you cannot define. That's the reason final you cannot write. Same rule, static. Static method also you cannot override. Private method also we cannot override. That is the reason abstract class cannot be final. Abstract method cannot be final. Abstract methods cannot be static. Abstract methods cannot be private. Now, here, now show method belongs to which class? Show method belongs to which class? A class. Declared in which class? A class. Defined in which class? Suppose if I remove this line, if I remove this one, will it compile or not compile? Think yourself. Compiles or not compiles? Compiles. Successfully compiled, executed, you will get a same output. Compilation, execution. Now, but without abstract also you are getting same output. Okay. But now show method belongs to which class? Difference is there. It belongs to B now. It belongs to B. If you write like this, belongs to A. So, declaration in A class, definition in a B class, declaration in one class, definition in another class. In that situation, we use this concept. Past, it was declared. Present, you are defining. Already Java developers prepared so many abstract methods. We are going to define. They declared. You are going to define. Otherwise, now you declare. In future, you define. In future, one more programmer will define. Future purpose you return. Like that. Past, it was declared. Present, you are defining. In that situation, abstract required. Present, you are declaring. In future, you are going to define. Then abstract required. Okay. But if we don't write abstract here, then show method belongs to B class. Then different is there, no? Now declared in A, defined in B. If I remove this keyword, if I remove this one, defined in B, declaration is not there. Directly defined. Like that. So further required. What exact the usage? You'll understand in further sessions. This is a concept. Suppose here I'll write final. Give me answer. Is it valid? Why? Final class cannot be inherited. Cannot be inherited. Final method cannot be overridden. Final variable cannot be changed value. But final class cannot be inherited. You cannot create, you cannot inherit. But abstract class compulsory or inherit. Okay. So if you write final, inheritance not possible, object creation not possible. Then no use of that class. So next, abstract classes cannot be final. Abstract classes, that is abstract methods. First point. Now abstract classes cannot be final. Now I'll ask some more questions. Give me answer. Final method, final class cannot be instantiated. Is it right or wrong? Final class cannot be instantiated. Is it right or wrong? Right or wrong? Even if I make it confused also, you should not get confused. Okay. Confusion question only, interview question. Complicated question only, interview question. You have to focus. You have to put efforts. You have to work hard. You have to give answer. Final class cannot be instantiated. Is it right or wrong? It is wrong. You can create object. Final class cannot be inherited. Is it right or wrong? Yes. Final class you cannot inherit. Abstract class cannot be instantiated. Yes. Abstract class cannot be inherited. Wrong. Okay. What I did is final concept I asked to abstract. Abstract concept I asked to final. Like that I asked. But you should not get confused. Interviewer also will make it confused. But you should not get confused. Okay. Now. Final class cannot be dashed. Final question different angle. Final class cannot be dashed. Inherited. Abstract class cannot be dashed. Instantiated. Okay. This concept for that, that concept for this, they may ask, but you will get a confusion. Okay. Now, here you cannot write final. Now, one more concept. What is this? What is this? Constructor. Now give me answer. Writing constructor in abstract class. Valid or not valid? Valid or not valid? Valid? Not valid? How many people answer valid? How many will answer not valid? Those who given not valid, why it is not valid? Those who given not valid, why it is not valid? Constructor is called whenever object is created. Object we cannot create, that's what not valid. Okay. Those who given valid, how it is called? We can create object to subclass. Then superclass constructor called. So valid. Here I'll write new B. Then is there any B class default constructor? No. Will it Java compiler provides? Yes or no? Yes. In that first line, what will be there? What will be there? Super. What that line will do? It calls. It is called, see, file, save, compilation, execution. So you can write constructor, you can write subclass object created, then superclass constructor called. That is already studied. Write that point. Abstract class can have constructors, and those constructors are called whenever objects are created to subclasses. Abstract class can have constructors, and those constructors are called whenever objects are created to its subclasses. So you can write constructor. Whenever object is created of subclass, then constructor is called. Okay, valid. Abstract class can have constructors, and those constructors are called whenever objects are created to its subclasses. If you create object of subclass, then superclass constructor is called. Is it over? Writing is over. Write this program also. Here implicitly, what will be there here? One default constructor will be there. In that super brackets like this will be there. No? Now, what this line will do? It calls default constructor of B class. Default constructor is not there. Will it Java compiler provides? Yes. In that first line, that line calls superclass constructor. So it is implicitly present. Example, write this program. These type of logics are called object-oriented programming logics. This is Java logics. Starting up to Java fundamentals, that is C language type logic. This is actual Java. So many people, they completed Java course, but they don't have a logical skills. What are the questions daily I'm asking? You ask them, other people, how many they'll give answer, check it out. Then believe my word. Your friends will be there, no? You ask them. Those who completed Java, ask them. How many they'll give answer, how many they won't give answer, you check it out. Then believe my word. Many people, they are not perfect in logic. If you ask theory, they'll give. If you ask program, they'll by heart, they'll write. But logically, they are not strong. But company requires logical skills only. Because logically, if you are perfect, any program you can write. Here, new B. Then control comes to which class constructor? B class constructor. Is there any B class constructor? No. Will it Java compiler provides? Yes. In that constructor, first line, what will be there? Super. What that super will do? It calls super class constructor. That's what it is called. Okay. So from here, control comes here. From here, control comes here. Then welcome printed. So you can write constructor in an abstract class. It is valid. Is it over? One more. Can I write class method in an abstract class? Static method in abstract class? No. Static method in abstract class. Can we write or not? Yes or no? How many people answer yes? How many people answer no? No. Those who given not valid, why it is not valid? Cannot be inverted. It is inverted. Cannot be overridden. Is it overriding record? Is it abstract method or concrete method? It is concrete method. Abstract method must be overridden. It is concrete method. Is it abstract method or concrete method? Concrete method. Is it compulsory to override? No. If abstract method is there, you have to override. How many ways to access class method? Object also not required. Now, if I call like this, a.display, valid. See, file, save. Abstract method cannot be static, I said. Abstract method cannot be static. But is it abstract method? No. Write this one. Abstract class can have static members. Abstract class can have static members. Abstract class can have static members. Example, write this program. It is valid. It doesn't require object. We can call. Now, even that is inherited in B class. B dot display also you can call. Display also you can call. See? B dot display also you can call. Because inherited. Only display also you can call. Because inherited. See? Compilation, execution. All are valid. Now, A dot display you can call. B dot display you can call. Only display also you can call. Valid. A dot display valid. B dot display valid. Display also valid. It is a class name dot display. It is inherited. That's what with this class also you can call. Inherited. That's what directly also you can call. Over. Is it over? No. Is it valid? Abstract class main method I written. Valid or not valid? Valid. Because main method also static member only. Okay. Next, write it. Abstract class can have main method also. Abstract class can have main method also. Abstract class can have main method also. Write this example. Is it over? We'll see continuation next class. Tomorrow I'm not coming. Tomorrow I'm leaving out of session. No class. Monday we'll see continuation. So next class on Monday. Tomorrow no class. Next class on Monday.